Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can enable a mono audio feature on Windows 11. So if you have trouble with the mono audio, with the speakers on your system, on your PC or laptop, you can combine your left and right audio into one. So in order to enable mono audio, you can click on Windows start icon and click settings. Here under the system there is a sound option and you can turn this on. Combine left and right audio channels into one. And the second method, you can click accessibility, and under the hearing option there is an audio option, and of course you can turn this on. Combine left and right audio channels into one. So this is how you can enable mono audio under Windows 11. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the button below. See you in the next video.